Hi, hello, I'm Miss PatriciaAnn and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my fast natural hair routine with you guys. So as you see, I have my hair up. I have this cute little towel. You just put your hair in it. I don't even know what it's called. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I'm going to show you what it is. It's this thing right here. I mean, it's a hair towel, I guess you call it. I don't know what it is. I've had it forever. Now I'm just going to be showing you guys my natural hair in the mirror. I'm playing with my hair. Man, look how long my hair's got. Okay, now I have my coconut oil and my hairbrush. And you want to always start brushing your hair at the bottom towards the top, not like at your scalp and then work your way down. I always work my way from the bottom to the top because, I mean, I've noticed less ends being broken and it's healthier for your hair. And I also wash my hair in cold water, sometimes ice cold water. So that's a helpful tip for those girls out there who have very thick hair. I have very, very thick hair, as you can tell, and it's so hard to get the brush through my hair sometimes because it's so thick. And I did have to switch brushes here because I have a certain brush I use, and it's called Wet. And I use that when I'm freshly out of the shower wanting to brush my hair because naturally your hair's wet, it's going to weigh a little bit more, and you know, it's a mess. And you see, I got a mess going on here. Now I'm pulling out my coconut oil. And I'm going to get a little bit of coconut oil on my hands. It's not melted. It's not to the melted form. So I'm just going to rub it in like lotion and put it through my hair. Pick it on my nails a little bit. And if you rub it between your hands, it does form the liquid form of it. So, and I just put it through my hair. And you see I have little clumps. That's no big deal. I mean, you're probably freaking out right now like, oh my goodness, girl, you got big clumps in your hair. Look at that. Look at this. Looks like lice. This is to be a nice prank on somebody to tell them you got lice. Maybe make the balls smaller so it looks like small nits. Not big old... You got spiders in your hair, girl. Okay, that's it. Thank you all for watching. Have a nice day. I'm just kidding. That's not it. Okay, so time to pull your sleeves up because it's about to get messy. Okay, I'm brushing my hair. I'm brushing all this coconut oil clumps through my hair. I mean, if you want to go through the extra step and melt down your coconut oil, go for it. I don't have time for all that. This is my fast hair routine. I just got out of the shower, and I normally don't even blow dry my hair, but when I have to go somewhere really quick and I have to get a shower really quick and my hair's all nasty, I hurry up and wash my hair, and you're seeing my routine for I have to be out of the house like in 45 minutes. And I don't have time to like style my hair and do all this stuff, so I'm showing you guys what I'm doing. And normally, you see this is my new brush I got. This is my new brush, and let me tell you, ugh, you're about to see. Yep, you guessed it. Yeah, you guessed right. You guessed that brush got stuck in my hair. It is legit stuck in my hair now, and I can't get it out. And I'm sitting here like inside freaking out, like, am I going to have to cut my hair? Oh my god, what am I going to do? But yeah, my hair's stuck. I just rip it out. Okay, go on with your day. So I'm brushing my hair again, acting like nothing happened. Whew. Traumatic issue. My blow dryer's like all messed up. It's not wanting to cooperate with me. I'm trying to rush. I know I've got to get my hair did and get out of the house ASAP. Now, I normally like to wear my hair on the side and like my bangs because I am letting my bangs grow out. So I like to have my bangs on the like left side of my face, kind of like curled. And that's what I'm doing now with the brush. You'll see. See how I'm kind of styling it there a little bit? And we're just going to ponytail that up because that's what I want to curl on the side of my face. Now I'm just going back and blow drying my hair, trying to get it fully dry because it is 28 degrees outside. I ain't about to walk outside with my hair wet and get, I want to say distemper, but it's distempers for dogs, so. And this is how I blow dry my hair when I do blow dry it. Trust me, I have a lot of hair. It takes a long time to blow dry it. I gotta have it on high heat and like, ugh. I'm just going to leave that up there a little bit, and then I'm going to work with the back, finish blow drying it. And as you've seen, I sped it up some so you guys did not have to stay here for like 20 minutes watch me blow dry my hair. Because it legit took me like 20 minutes just to blow dry my hair. And I am amazed with the color of my hair. I got my hair dyed in November, towards December, end of December. Did I get it done in November? I don't think I had it done in November. Nope. I don't know when I got my hair done. I think it was in December. I got my hair done. Yes, it was in December for my birthday. And look how long that color has stayed in my hair. But my hair is naturally dark anyway, but it's like a light brownish kind of dark. But this is like a darker color, obviously. It stayed in my hair for a long time. Anyway, okay, I'll quit rambling. I got my hair straighteners out. It's time to straighten my hair. I do spray the heat protectant on my hair because I have thick hair and I don't want my hair super damaged. So, and you can see, look how cute that is. Now that's one hairstyle right there. If you want to go out like that, but I'm not done with that. I'm not feeling that today. So that is one way how I style my hair. Now see those right there I just showed you? Those is what I'm used to wearing in my hair instead of the comb at the top. The brush. So the brushes was a new little technique today. I was trying to look fancy. But anyway, when I straighten my hair, this is my second look. I like to go really fast. I was like, I have some extra time, so I might as well show you guys. And so you can tell a big difference when I straighten my hair and don't straighten my hair. It looks really frizzy. But the thing is about blow drying my hair. When I blow dry my hair feels so frizzy and full. And that's why I lather it down in coconut oil. Like I have to have lots of coconut oil in my hair. And the clumps melt obviously of heat, so I mean it's no big deal. But I have the extra coconut oil and you can see how shiny and my hair looks alive. And look how cute that look is. That's the second look. You straighten it like that. But I ain't done there. My third fast and easy hair routine is just straightening it all. See how easy that is to straighten that? And you got a different look right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue straightening my hair all the way. And I don't really feel like having bangs today, so I think I'm going to eliminate my bangs. Yep, I'm going to have just a natural, messy looking hair. Get rid of my bangs. Now, are you ready to see how my look was for the actual day? How I actually left the house? You know you're ready. There's my look for the day. Is that not absolutely gorgeous? And, as always, guys, thanks for watching. What the heck?
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Made of plastic, life's fantastic. Oh, yes! Ah!